To the asshole who had their cat locked in a cage outside, I released it. I walk outside and there's this cat in a cage. And I'm like, nah, B, fuck this shit. So you know what I did? I tried to comfort the cat. I was like, oh, poor thing, probably stuck in that cage. Motherfucker bit me in the goddamn finger. I'm like, you little fucking cocksucker, I'm trying to help you. I'm like, all right, I get it. The cat's probably scared, so I didn't, you know what I'm saying, I didn't lose my cool. I got the cat out of the cage. I don't know what the fuck. Some douchebag left their cat in a fucking cage outside with like another little can of, this tiny ass cage was barely big enough to fit this cat, yo. Fucking can of cat food. It straight pissed me off. I'm like, man, motherfuckers out there, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But that's why this finger piece be wrapped up. In case you're wondering, what the fuck happened to Cobra's finger? Check this out, YouTube. We got some Mickey D's. Went and got me a Southern style sweet tea lemonade mix. You already know what's up. My favorite drink at McDonald's right here, yo. Southern style sweet tea lemonade. Oh yeah. And I got a spicy McCrispy and a hot and spicy McChicken. We're gonna see how these hitting. You know what I'm saying? So check this out. On my spicy McCrispy, we got an extra spicy pepper sauce, an extra chicken fillet, add cheese, add bacon. All right. On the hot and spicy McChicken, we have add bacon, add American cheese, add pickle, add tomatoes. So we're gonna see what these items be hitting on, see what they're doing, you know, and just do our thing. 1 2 1 2 fast food review. So if you like the fast food review, I want you to hit the like and subscribe for more. Yeah, man. You already know what time it is. You already know what time it is, YouTube. It's fast food time. I walked outside to have a cigarette, and I was walking around, and I seen the cage, and I was like, what the fuck? Like someone goddamn lost their cat or something. I don't fucking know, dude. Oh yeah, the hot and spicy McChicken. And this a big motherfucker must be the other one. Get them out. Get them out, YouTube. Get them out. We got two big ass spicy chicken sandwiches. So we're going to save the bigger one for last, but we're going to hit this hot and spicy McChicken first. What you thinking, YouTube? Oh yeah, like I said, subscribe for more if you dig this content, B. Alright. Oh, look at you. I didn't even have to read my DoorDash receipt because they fucking, it's on the receipt right now. Alright, Mickey D's, let's see what you working on. Let's take a trip to the Irish McDonald's, yo. Oh yeah, get out of there. Fuck out of there. Dripping lettuce all over the place. Squishy bun action. I swore I asked for bacon on this motherfucker, but they didn't give it to me. Maybe it's on the bottom. Man, I asked for bacon on this bitch and they didn't put it on there. What are you gonna do? They might have been out of bacon, so it is what it is. They gave me everything else I asked for on the sandwich. Alright. Spicy little boozing. I dig it. Smoked out to the dome, son. Alright. That's got a little heat to it. It's not stupid hot, but it's got a little to it, you know what I'm saying? You lost a couple points for not putting the bacon on there, but I digress. Maybe they were just in a rush. Maybe they're out of bacon, you know. Now we're going to go for the other one. This is the Spicy McCrispy. So maybe they put bacon on this one. We'll see, huh? Oh, look at that. Double the chicken, motherfuckers. Extra spicy sauce. Okay, okay. You put bacon on this one. I see that bacon right there looking extra delicious. All right. I might have asked for vegetables on this one too, but they didn't put it on there, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Or, no, I don't think I did actually, never mind. But here's the thing of it. Let's pick that son of a bitch up right now. Ooh, yeah, get over here. Check it out. Oh, look at all that sauce and that cheese and the double chicken. Yes, please. Ba-da-ba-ba, not a sponsor. Ooh, woo, woo. This one definitely spicier than the last one. And it could be because of the extra sauce, but who knows? Oh yeah, that sauce they'd be putting on there, definitely giving it a nice spicy kick for your taste buds. All right, I'm gonna eat that for save that for later. I'm gonna eat it later. 1 second. Ooh man, that chicken got a kick to it. YouTube. That pepper sauce they put on their spicy on that second one. Excuse me. That's got the right amount of heat to it, man. That's nice and spicy. 1 second. That's not my chair. That's not my chair. Damn it. Wipe off the mouthpiece. Overall, my experience wasn't half bad. All right, I'll give them a 3 out of 4 because it good. But I did order bacon on that first sandwich. Did not receive it or receive it. It is what it is. But they put bacon on the second one, so we're all good. Got that Southern style sweet tea lemonade mixture going. I was gonna say the goddamn lid doesn't want to puncture. Hold up. Oh yeah, that is refreshing. Anyways, I'll catch you cool cobras later.